Section P1, Example 2. To evaluate a function is to replace the x with the number or expression. Take a look at this function f of x equals 2x squared minus 3x. We have to take note of the location of the x. And when we evaluate, we just need to replace those x by the number or expression. The first thing we want to evaluate is f of 5. So we change all the x to the number 5. So you will have 2 times 5 squared minus 3 times 5. 2 times 5 squared is 50. 3 times 5 is 15. So the answer for f of 5 is 35. The next thing we want to evaluate is f of x plus h. We have to consider x plus h as a whole. So we replace x by the entire x plus h. So we have 2 times x plus h, and we put it in parentheses, square that, minus 3 times the whole thing, x plus h. Now we want to simplify, and to simplify, we have to first expand the binomial expression. So we do 2 times x plus h squared, we get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And we distribute the negative 3 to x and h, we get minus 3x minus 3h. And it will equals 2x squared plus 4xh. We're distributing the 2 here, plus 2h squared minus 3x minus 3h. And there's no like term, so this will be the final answer. Next, we evaluate f of x plus h minus f of x. We already have f of x plus h, so we just need to subtract that entire expression by f of x. So 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared minus 3x minus 3h, and we subtract the entire expression, 2x squared minus 3x. Now don't be afraid to use parentheses, especially when we're subtracting. There will be a change of sign. And do not be afraid of writing the entire expression again, because we want to ensure accuracy. So we have 2x squared plus 4xh plus 2h squared minus 3x minus 3h. Distribute the negative sign, we get minus 2x squared plus 3x. Now we want to cancel like term, so we have 2x squared minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 3x. So the final answer for this difference is 4xh plus 2h squared minus 3h.